Welcome to this short video explaining how to set up groups within RMS. First of all, click on Tools, Setup. Then on the left part of the screen, go into Groups. Here you can see there are various options: New Groups, Rename Groups, Sort the Groups, Delete the Groups, and Save the Groups. If we take the example of an international company located in North America and in Europe, we will set up the groups accordingly. First of all, we'll rename the group 1 to North America. Then we add a new group called Europe. Straight away we have two groups, but as you can see, North America is the parent group of Europe. So we will update this simply by clicking and dragging up Europe outside. Now both North America and Europe are on the same level. We can create subgroups. So for example, if we click here on North America and click on New, we can create a new subgroup called Canada. And we see here Canada is now integrated within North America. We can create up to as many groups as we require to have a total overview of the system. Before exiting this window, don't forget to save. Thank you very much for watching.